This illustration deals with areas cut off and ventilated in accordance with NEC 513.3 D as in dog. And of course, this is a revision that has been accepted to this section. And the revision has been made to clarify that where mechanical ventilated type areas at a rate of 4 or more air changes per hour are designed with positive pressure were effectively cut off from the hangar itself by walls or partitions, where adjacent areas in which flammable liquids or vapors are not likely to be released, such as stock rooms, electrical control rooms, and similar type locations per authority having jurisdiction or per designer and so forth. Notice now, if we're reviewing the below grade area that you see underneath the aircraft there, Class 1, Division 1, or Zone 1, 500.13a, and you can change the air, say it was a garage, you could change the air 4 times per hour, and in some cases it's not even classified. If you, I say it'd be a Class 1 Division 2, I believe. And if you brought in 1 foot of clean air and took out 1 foot of contaminated air, then it wouldn't even be classified, say if it's in a garage area. And then notice what they're telling you here, up to 18 inches above the floor to the left of the below grade call out. Notice it's a Class 1 division there, or it's a Zone 2 division, 513.3b, 18 inches above the floor. And again, that's based upon air changes, how you could classify it, unclassified maybe, see, depending on it, is it a garage, commercial garage, or is it an aircraft hangar? You have to review these rules to see what these requirements would allow you to do. But now, first of all, notice the call out to the left top of the illustration, and the arrows point to the ventilation and to the barrier separating the aircraft room from this electrical control room. And it states with wall, barrier, and plus you have ventilation. This area is not classified as permissible in 513.3D as in dog. So we would pick that up. Now, don't get mixed up with aircraft hangar with a commercial garage. When you go to a commercial garage, you need ground fault protection provided in, as outlined in 511.12, and notice that that now aligns with the requirements of 210.8b, as in boy, for commercial or industrial type locations. And then, of course, we reviewed 210.8a with the new rules for GFCI protection for dwelling units. So 210.8a, dwelling units. 210.8b would be other than dwelling units, so kind of keep that in mind. And also, as a little reminder, for emergency controls for fuel, motor, dispensers type facilities, and for the 20-foot and 100-foot requirement, we'd want to see 514.11a, and you notice you can pick up some of the rules and requirements there that may have been revised or a new section provided or whatever may occur there. Now, I would wrap this thing up by reviewing the notes. Note 1. The room shall be provided with 4 or more air changes per hour as deemed necessary with the requirements of 513.3D as in dog. Note 2. Any wiring methods that we select from Chapter 3 shall be permitted to be used in the electrical control room as outlined and permitted in 513.7A exception.